I purchased this PCV valve for my Ford Ranger. It's pretty basic. It's got a valve that goes up and down in there. 2 hoses. If you only have 1 hose, you can use the centerpiece right here. You pull that out and cap it off. I'm not really going to explain how to do that because there's instructions inside the box. Let me get you over to the car or truck. So in a 93 Ranger, the PCV valve is on the driver's side. This is the front side. This is the back side. Over here in the back is the PCV valve. No, it was bad because it was leaking oil and it was making other gaskets in the car go bad. I know it feels kind of strange because usually you screw them out, but in this particular model, in my truck, in my Ford Ranger, this just pulls out. A lot of Civics and smaller cars, they screw out, so pay attention to that. And for my Ford Ranger, the new one just literally slides right in. That's it. You reattach your hoses, and now's a really good time to check if these hoses are dry or hard or if they need to be replaced. That's it. Everything's installed. Got my new PCV valve in. That should allow all the excess pressure to be relieved, all the vapors to go through properly where they need to go. So, good to go.